We watch so many influencers and celebrities wearing high-end trendy clothes, and to be honest, it gets overwhelmed for people like us and we end up judging ourselves. But after endlessly scrolling down the internet for almost half of my life, I have come to this conclusion that even celebrities and influencers want to dress up very casually and in a very chill way so that they'll be comfortable, and at the end of the day they are normal people like us. So the best way to dress up like them is to mainly invest in basics, because they work as great blank canvases to later experiment with your own style, if you know what I mean. So let's just get started now. Starting with makeup. Now the main idea while doing your makeup is to look fresh. So you can start with any BB or CC cream, which is super light on skin and is perfect for summers. Add some tint on your cheeks and lips. You can even achieve this one with the help of a lipstick, and remember not to go overboard with it. Add a little bit of mascara to open up your eyes a little more, and that's it. Doing the basics right make you look more approachable and put together. You don't need to spend an hour doing your makeup. Just 5 minutes and you're ready. But this is just my routine. If you're someone who do not like to do a lot of makeup on your face, doing just your basic skincare will just work the best for you guys. Now let's talk about hair. You do not necessarily have to do that basic slick back hair as you see mostly on runways. Just be easy on your hair. In my opinion, second day hair works the best as it suddenly adds more texture to my hair and it becomes so easy to style as well. Just comb them and let them be. But if you want to add some serum or any texturing spray to your hair, the choice is all yours, and that's literally it about it. Now coming back to outfits finally. First, black on black is a great option to begin with as it flatters almost every body type. It looks so elegant, chic, and gives a slimming effect. It goes with all skin tones, body types, and anyone can pull it off, trust me. You can later add your own touch by playing with jewelry, bags, and shoes and whatnot. Adding dainty jewelry options just enhance your whole look and make the whole look more classy and put together. And you can definitely play around with different cuts and silhouettes to create a look of your own. Second, you can even take your sweatpants outside your room and it will give such a nice cool street style vibe. So I have just worn my basic tee with shoes and my whole new simple casual yet a very stylish outfit is just ready. And oh, don't forget to wear your confidence, guys. This is just a perfect casual outfit when you're out there for coffee with your friends, or when you're just chilling at home. Just perfect. Third, denim on denim is just another great way to dress up as a model, and it's very effortless and you don't have to do a lot in that. So what I've done is I've just paired my same t-shirt with denim shorts. You can either switch it up, the denim shorts, with jeans, denim skirt, or anything. Also, they always carry sunglasses whenever they step out, and I think that also works as a great and useful accessory. So no harm including that to our outfit too. These outfits are just perfect for your college or when you're just hanging out with your friends. A very chill look. Fourth, a white shirt never goes out of style. It looks so crisp and suddenly adds a charm to your whole outfit, and when paired with jeans, it just creates a whole new casual chic semi-formal sort of look, which I love so much. A perfect example to dress casually yet add some elegance to your look. 5. Wearing blazers just gives that extra edge to your whole look, and it just gives that extra attention which our outfits always needed. Blazers are such a versatile piece and you can literally style them with anything. I mean, with basics, with skirt, even with saris and whatnot. And trust me, once you wear it, you will automatically feel more confident, and that's what all we need while dressing up, right? So do invest in blazers. So guys, before I leave, I just want to take a moment and thank all of you for making this possible. We have reached 100,000 subscribers on this channel yesterday, and the love which I'm getting from you guys is just crazy. I'm just out of words right now. And Yash even surprised me with his family with small party. We had a cake, we had a celebration, and baad mein I was eating pav bhaji by looking fancy. So yeah, that was my day yesterday. And yeah, thank you all. Let's make this family even bigger. So make sure to subscribe before leaving, and if you enjoyed watching this video, like it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.